Pang-apat na reason kung bakit nasasayang ang training budget ng kumpanya ay dahil sa mga trainers na hindi maayos mag-deliver ng training. So, eto, tingnan mo kung familiar ka dito. Yung training, puro lecture, hindi engaging. O kaya naman, entertaining, pero kulang sa substance, parang kang umattend ng comedy bar, no? Parang nagpunta doon sa comedy bar. A well-facilitated training prepares learners for learning. No? Present the ideas and contents clearly, allows the learners to try out knowledge and apply skills while in the classroom, and also get corrected pagka mali para natututo sila. And then they're allowed to demonstrate a synthesis of all the things that they've learned from the training. So kung maipakita nila during the classroom training na kaya nila, this gives them confidence to try it in the real world. Nagkakaproblema sa delivery ng training pag hindi aral yung mga training facilitators at chosen lang dahil sa kanilang subject matter expertise. Kung ikaw ang in charge sa L&D, ipadala mo yung mga trainers mo, yung mga subject matter experts mo sa mga programa na matuturuan sila kung paano talaga mag-facilitate effectively. A good training facilitation program only covers presentation skill as a component, but largely about how to facilitate. Kasi yung delivery ng training, hindi lang dahil magaling kang tumayo sa harapan at mag-explain ng slides. Dapat marunong kang mag-facilitate ng learning process. So, if you have people in your organizations who are delivering this boring training or entertaining training but walang substance, send them to training. Ask me how.